Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online language courses we offer. As you might be able to tell from the enormous Cossack hat I'm wearing today, I was in Rostov-on-Don last weekend at the top of the Black Sea. And while I was there, I had a bit of a fright. My flight home from Rostov was at 3 o'clock in the morning. I had to fly via Istanbul. And I got to the airport with plenty of time to spare, but when I got there they refused to issue me with a boarding pass because I hadn't realised I was supposed to fill in a form for the British government online showing them where I'd been and what time I was arriving back in the UK and so on. So I dashed around trying to get Wi-Fi connection, and I then spent the best part of an hour struggling with this insane online form and trying to book a COVID test for my return. As I was getting near finishing this off, they announced that they were closing the check-in desk, and in a moment of blind panic I frantically finished off the rest of the form, rushed over to the desk and showed them. And literally, as they were closing the check-in desk, they gave me my boarding pass. I was lucky. It was a close shave. If you describe a situation as a close shave, you mean it's a narrow escape from something unpleasant or something dangerous. So maybe you go to a party and then you leave at 11 o'clock and your friends tell you later that your ex turned up with their new partner and you think, whoa, thank God I missed them. That was a close shave. Another 10 minutes and I would have bumped into them. In the same way, maybe when you're driving, you have to swerve to avoid hitting a car that's coming towards you. And later you reflect on it and say, God, that was a close shave. If you hadn't swerved, we would have crashed head on into that car. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button. Please do share it with your friends, your colleagues and your students. And in the comment section below, we'd love to hear about any close shaves that you've had. Thank you.